Paano maghulog sa Pag-ibig MP2 the cheapest way? Sa iba, pwede salary deduction para walang cost, but for those na walang ganong option, this video is for you. Meron akong video about 3 investments you can start for 10,000 pesos and MP2 is one of them. Yung video na to, naban siya on TikTok but on IG and FB, more than 1 million views na siya so pwede niyong panoorin doon. Nag-ask ako ng ways how others pay their MP2 kasi ako via GCash and may 5 pesos na transaction fee every time. Ayoko naman ng medyong malaking transaction kapag sa GCash kasi medyo madaming aberya. So, para safe, I limit each transaction to 10,000 pesos. Kaya nanghihinayang ako na magbabayad ng 5 pesos every time na magta-transaction ako. But I found a way para mas malaki sa 10,000 yung matransfer ko to MP2 at the least possible cost. Go to your virtual Pag-ibig account, pay online MP2, click mo GCash or Maya. Pag lumabas to, piliin mo yung QR code. Tapos, I pay via BPI QR